All right, it's my review for the Jcrob shower head, Rainfall shower head with the wand. Yeah, it's pretty good. My first Rainfall shower head was in Thailand at the Marriott, and ever since that, I said I was always going to get one. So I finally bit the bullet and tried this one out, primarily for the wand, because it has the jet stream on the very top, which makes cleaning very, very easy. Really good, solid pressure, obviously depending on the pipes that you have, but you know, it handles real well. Yeah, so there it is, got it all set up. I just put this shelf up, so a little hesitant to turn the water on, but it should be all right. I'll just tilt it. And, you know, which is a good point, okay, it's got some tilting action if you need to turn the water. Obviously have your wand back over here. Give you a little taste. Look at that. Yeah. This thing has been a real pleasure to shower with, especially being tall, right? I'm 6'4", and the usual shower heads, right? You know, you gotta duck and dodge up under there. This, it can raise up, you can lower it down. But being tall and being able to stand under there without dipping and ducking it's been nice. So if I had to say anything, it's a shower head so nice, I had to do it twice because I got another one for the guest bathroom. So totally worth it. Give it a try. Real easy to install. Took me all 5-10 minutes. So, you know, if I ever need to take it down for whatever, it wouldn't be complicated to do. I like the stainless steel, the polished finish. It's real good. So yeah, if you're considering it, definitely try it out. It's not bad at all.
This shower is amazing. It has so many functions and it works so good. You can switch it from here down and you can have it both off. You just turn it to the middle. It's really amazing and it works really good. My family loves this shower.
All right, guys, got it installed. Y'all ready for it? Ooh, badass. And if you want to switch it over, you just hold this and then bam, you get the spray. I want the hook right there too. Badass. Love it. Can't wait to take a shower.
Yeah. Pretty good.
This is good, it's beautiful. I need to install other extension, pero it's good for me.
Sprays a little bit harder than the last one though.
Wow, this shower head works beautiful and very easy to install. The best shower I ever take.
Loving the shower head. Awesome.